Okay, happy Tech Tip Tuesday. So today we're going to talk about fiber. We're going to talk about its involvement in coming into the residential sector, how it's being used all across the country, and here in Boise we're just not seeing it yet. If you've lived here for a while, you know us in Boise. We like being a little bit later to the game. We're out snow skiing, hiking, mountain biking. We're not necessarily right up to speed on the cutting edge of tech. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about fiber. We're going to talk about what's going on around the country. Now, this video is the shortened low-tech version. So if you're not techie and you don't want to know all the ins and outs, this is the video to watch. If you're like, you know what, Eric, I want the details, I want the nitty-gritty, I want to know really what's going on, check out this link down below. There's a link right down below. That'll take you over to the tech one, goes more into the weeds. This one, we're going to go high level. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So when we're looking at fiber, the reason fiber is where everything is going, and people have been talking about this for years. The reason now is the time is because copper cannot even hold the amount of speed required for a full 4K video, okay? For example, when we're wiring for projectors, when we're doing video distribution, we're now doing that with HDMI cables that are actually pieces of fiber. They're a piece of fiber with copper conversion on each end to go back to those HDMI cables we know, okay? That being said, fiber's been talked about for years, never really got hold. Now it is because we have to have it. Like I said, copper just can't get us there. So when we're looking at fiber, there's a couple things to keep in mind. Again, if you want the techie stuff, go to that link below. Here, we're talking about a couple simple things, okay? This is a dual strand of fiber, okay? Got two pieces, have some Kevlar, crazy stuff. This stuff, I can actually pull on this with 230 pounds. Working load, meaning I can sit there and yank on 230 pounds all day long and not damage it. No, the fiber is not this big around, okay? But we're looking at these two strands. What we're gonna do, I'm actually going to cut one of these jackets off so you can see what we're actually working with inside, okay? The yellow, yes, is actual Kevlar, just like bulletproof vest. That's what gives us our strength and gives us our durability. Within that, we have our actual fiber strand. I'm not sure if that actually comes through on the camera, but it looks orange, okay? That's actually not the fiber either. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna peel off this jacket that's on the outside of it, okay? We're gonna pull off this jacket, and now you're going to see the actual glass fiber, okay? And again, you can't see it in the screen, okay? But the glass fiber is here, right? It's right there, itty bitty, right? This is part of what makes it so amazing is we can send incredible amounts of data over this. If you're doing a larger home, vaulted ceiling, no crawl space, those types of situations, the problem integrators like us will run into is we don't physically have enough room in the walls to run all of the cables to give us what we need. With fiber, it solves that problem. We can run so much data, so much audio, so much video over this two strand, it's just unbelievable, okay? So again, this is where it's going. Reason it's going now is because we need it. It's no longer a want, it's no longer something cool, not to mention that as copper prices continue to go up, this will stay very close to the same, if not drop down in price as we lower manufacturing because there's no mining involved to get to it, okay? So if you're building a new home, if you're having a rewire done, talk to your integrator about fiber. If they don't know what they're talking, if they don't know what you're talking about and their eyes glaze over and they say don't worry about it, do some interviewing, find another integrator, okay? Make sure you get to know somebody who knows the fiber and knows what we can do with it. All right, Eric, Tech Tip Tuesday. Have a great day.